play Spotify to your Sonos speakers without having to use the Sonos app. Watch this 2024 update. Spotify can play directly from your device to a Sonos speaker using Spotify Connect. This bypasses the need to use the Sonos app. If you're using Apple Music, or if you'd prefer to play music from within the Sonos app, I have these how-to videos waiting for you on my channel. To use Spotify Connect, open the Spotify app, find the music you'd like to play and start playing. By default, this will start playing through the speakers on your device. Next, towards the bottom of the screen is the name of the song you are currently playing, and to the right of this is a speaker symbol. Press this. A list will appear with all devices you have that are compatible with Spotify Connect. Press the device or the room name you wish to play to. The speaker symbol will turn green when connected. You should now hear the music playing. Spotify Connect is also available on the Spotify desktop app for your computer. Sonos Connect is also handy if you have visitors, as they can play their music to your speakers without having to install the Sonos app. They do, however, need to be connected to your Wi-Fi. Quick tip, go to the Sonos app to group zones together so the same music can play through multiple speakers. Then flip back to the Spotify app to continue selecting your music. For more tips on this, go to my How to Group Sonos Zones video. For more Sonos tips, as well as easy to understand home technology tips, go to my YouTube channel, Tech with Tony, where I'm building a library with playlists to help you. See you there.